A true gardener does not plant every seed. She listens to the wisdom of the ground. Not every flower belongs in the garden. Not every beauty carries life. I have watered fading roots and called it love. I have given all my light to what could not grow. But kindness is not depletion. Compassion is not sacrifice. Love does not steal my life force. True love helps me rise.
Some vines reach toward heaven, some only drain the tree. Some promises shine like starlight, but leave the spirit weak.
True love does not invade. It does not consume the ground. It stands beside the living flame and makes the soul more whole.
I will not close the gate in fear.
I will not turn my heart to stone.
I will guard the sacred soil
that my soul calls home. Meet me with life, root to root, breath to breathe, light to light. Love is not a burden, love is not a chain. When it is true, it helps us bloom through sunlight, soil, and rain.
I no longer call lack destiny.
I no longer call pain devotion.
I choose the life that grows with me. I
Choose the love that breathes. The deepest love begins when I reclaim my ground. Waiting becomes trust. The garden comes alive. Meet me with life, root to root, breath to breathe, light to light.
What is true will take root.
What is false will fall away.
What is alive will find the sun and open.
In its day, no more love that empties me.
No
No more vows that steal my flame.
I choose the garden of my soul.
I bless the truth by name.
I do not
Force the season.